back to Chelle's Closet. Today, I have a treat for you. I am making homemade ginger shots. I saw this recipe on YouTube and I was like, let me see if it'll actually work, if it'll actually be good. So I have my ginger. It calls for pineapple. So I bought a pineapple, I cored it. Is it corded? I don't know. But I took the peelings off. I'm only going to use one of these. Yeah, I'm only going to use one of these. And then I got coconut water, cayenne pepper, and ground turmeric. So we're going to see. Hopefully it tastes like a ginger shot. Let me go ahead and cut it up. Cut the pineapple up. Get that up in there. I probably should have brought that down a little bit more. Pineapple. I'm gonna go ahead and peel my ginger. Nothing like the smell of fresh peeled ginger. Ginger. Okay. Throw a little cayenne up in there. A little turmeric. Coconut water. Put the top on and blend. Okay. Like that. So I have a mason jar. I'm gonna go to Walmart later and see if they got some little containers I could put this in. I got my strainer. I'm gonna put it on top of my mason jar. Oh, actually, I'm gonna open that and I'll put it on top of my mason jar. Just let that strain on through there. It smells wonderful. I hope it tastes as good as it smells. Oh, I should have got. Give me a spoon. Press that. It smells wonderful. Wonderful is how it smells. Oh, I should have grabbed the garbage bag. That's how much I got so far. This is actually pretty fun. This is pretty fun. I'm gonna take a shot in just a minute. You know, I'm about to be making all kind of shots, y'all. All kinds of them. Okay. This is what we got. Let me wipe it off. Kind of. This is what we got. Oh, it's crazy. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it looked like when you get the ginger shots from the store. But this is the ultimate. We got to see if it tastes good. Add a little more turmeric. Got a shot glass. Add a little turmeric. anti-inflammatory. And I might as well hit it with a little cayenne too, just cause. And then we gonna stir that up a little bit. Here we go. Cheers. Woo! Woo! Woo-wee. But it's good though. It's definitely good. So, there you have it. Homemade ginger shots. I just use pineapples, cayenne pepper, ground turmeric, ginger, some coconut water. Of course, I got this from the Dollar Tree. Coconut water, and made my own ginger shots. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. If you haven't already, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified the next time that I go live, or just upload another video. Don't forget to go up to the community tab and vote. Your vote matters. Hey, I'm not going to do a video and not tell y'all to love yourself, know yourself, trust yourself, and just be yourself. And if the people around you can't love and respect you for that, you don't need them. Listen, you know what time it is. If you don't know what time it is, I suggest that you watch the Finger Sweetie, because they will tell you. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification